Welcome to Exam Sale. This script will guide you through the Designing Cisco Unified Contact Center Enterprise Exam Syllabus in a focused and practical way. Overview of the UCCE exam structure and domain weights is essential for efficient study planning. The exam is divided into design considerations at 40%, Cisco Unified CCE components at 20%, Cisco Unified CCE solutions at 20%, UCCE overview at 10%, and Cisco Unified CCE VOS at 10%. Each domain includes scenario-based or conceptual assessments and specific estimated learning hours to help you allocate study time effectively. Design considerations. 40%. Focuses on comprehensive architectural design including high availability, scalability, network infrastructure, and security protocols for UCCE environments and is rated hard with about 32 hours of study recommended and scenario-based assessments. You will learn to design for fault tolerance in central controller and peripheral gateways, plan side A and side B separation, and calculate failover convergence times for agent states. The curriculum covers network infrastructure topics such as COS markings, bandwidth sizing, latency and jitter analysis, NAT constraints, firewall port requirements, and split brain prevention strategies for high latency links. You will also cover virtualization and UCS implementation with UCS hardware selection, VMware XC sizing, OVA templates, SAN design, certificate management, RBAC, and capacity sizing using BHCC and the Cisco sizing tool. Cisco Unified CCE components, 20%, emphasizes in-depth knowledge of core UCCE subsystems, their functional roles, and interaction patterns and is rated medium with about 18 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessments. You will study the central controller architecture and learn to differentiate the call router and logger functions, understand synchronization between side A and side B, and explain the role of the message delivery service and dynamic content adapter. The domain covers peripheral gateway and administration topics, including CUC/MPG types, AW and HDS deployment, the Open Peripheral Controller and Peripheral Interface Manager layers, and CTI server and CTIOS roles. You will also learn CVP integration models, CVP call server and VVB deployment choices, SIP proxy requirements, VXML gateway architecture, and post-call survey and whisper announcement design. Cisco Unified CCE Solutions, 20%, covers integrated solution sets, omnichannel capabilities, reporting frameworks, and specialized UCCE variants with about 15 hours of study and scenario-based assessments. You will learn to design packaged CCE deployments and understand PCCE agent limits, simplified administration models, precision queuing, attribute-based routing, and automated configuration synchronization. The omnichannel and digital engagement content explains enterprise chat, email, social miner integration, task routing for non-voice media, agent blending for inbound and outbound work, and callback and queuing strategies. Reporting with Unified Intelligence Center covers QUIC cluster design, real-time versus historical reporting, live data for finesse gadgets, report templates, data source connectivity to AW and HDS, and QUIC user permissions and dashboarding. Cisco Unified Contact Center Enterprise Overview, 10%, gives a foundational understanding of the UCCE ecosystem, business value proposition, and architectural evolution and is rated easy with about 6 hours of study. You will identify business drivers for adopting UCCE, explain the evolution from legacy ACD systems to modern UCCE architectures, and place UCCE in the Cisco collaboration portfolio context. The domain also covers licensing models, including Cisco Smart Licensing, and highlights the modularity of the UCCE framework to support phased deployments and feature growth. This overview helps you align technical design decisions with business requirements and strategic objectives. Cisco Unified CCE VOS, 10%, focuses on the voice operating system platform used by UCCE components like CVP, Finesse, and QUIC and is rated medium with about 8 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessments. You will understand the Linux-based VOS appliance model, learn VOS CLI commands for troubleshooting, and practice system upgrades using Prime collaboration tools. The syllabus covers platform-level certificate management for services such as Tomcat NCUPM, NTP and DNS dependencies, and backup and restore procedures using SFTP or DRS. Mastery of VOS fundamentals helps ensure platform stability and simplifies operational tasks during design and deployment. You are now ready to map study time to the exam domains and tackle scenario-based problems with confidence. Focus first on the 40% design considerations, then reinforce component knowledge, solutions, overview, and VOS topics, and use the estimated hours to plan a disciplined study schedule.